Sir, about report of the Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement, page number 655, sir. Sir, in that second paragraph, page 655, it is reported by the government to this commission that the Vigilance and Enforcement Director seized the records pertaining to Madhigada, Anaram and Sundila barrage. Right, sir? Yes. Now, going to the next page, sir. Sir, it is restricted its inquiry to Madhigara barrage only, it says. Go to page number 667, sir. In the above facts and circumstances, this commission, now listen, last paragraph, page number 657. In the above fact and circumstances, the commission does not prefer to review the interim report and the final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take appropriate steps pursuant to the said report in accordance with the law. Sir, now what? Sir, no, sir, you are not understanding. You are not understanding what am I saying. Sir, you ask for suggestions to be given. If I am wrong, you please correct me. I have given a suggestion stating that as per my research and my reading and my understanding, it is understood that the vigilance report was not commented by the commission, stating that in the term of references, they are not being set to study the vigilance report.
So, and again, no, Akbar Sahab, जब हम कमीशन अपॉइंट किए, एक मिनट, नहीं, आप एक के ऊपर आप ऐसे बोलते गए ना, लोग मेरा इंटीग्रिटी को भी चेक करने के लिए मौका मिलेंगे. I have appointed this commission, GOMS number 6, dated 14/3/2024. मेरा सरकार बने December 7, 2023. Within 2.5 months, I have appointed this commission. Vigilance and enforcement तब तक कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं दिए. उसके बाद विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट कमीशन रिपोर्ट दिए. उसके बाद वो रिपोर्ट हम कमीशन को भेज दिए. जिस दिन हम अपॉइंटमेंट किए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट का रिपोर्ट ही नहीं है. मैं कैसा इस जीओ में TOR में टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस में मैं कैसा लिखूं? How come you are expecting that we have to include everything in this GO?
This is what?
अरे सही साहब, आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं भाई? आप नो अकबर साहब, आप मेरा दोस्त है, आप लिबर्टी ले सकते हैं, मजाक भी कर सकते मेरे से, मगर सरकार से मजाक नहीं कर सकते.
मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं. अगर मैं मजाक कर रहा हूं सर, I want to come and record and say that.
ये ठीक नहीं है.
I'll resign from MNA.
अरे आप रिजाइन किए थे क्या भाई? आप रिजाइन किए तो मुझे क्या मिलना? मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, हाउस में रहना है. नहीं, आपके एक्सपीरियंस में लेना चाहता हूं. नहीं, अकबर साहब, आपके यू आर 6th टाइम MLA, यू आर सीनियर मोस्ट MLA इन दिस हाउस. I need your experience. I need your support. No.
Give me the mic. I'll read it out, sir.
Please,
Akbar Sahab, I'm coming on record again. Time and again, I'm on record. I'm on record. Government submitted vigilance and enforcement report to Commission of Inquiry officially. I have submitted officially vigilance and enforcement report as well NDSA report.
I am once again reiterating my claim and saying that the commission did not take into consideration the CAG report, vigilance report, NDSA report and expert committee report. It clearly said in this report that it is not in its terms of references. And now, when we have to go, I have said about vigilance. Sir, I have said about the vigilance, sir. इसमें clear लिखा हुआ है, sir. In the above fact and circumstances, the commission does not prefer to review the interim and final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take the appropriate steps. Then, it is there, the report of National Dam Security, sir. National Dam Security, sir. there also on page number again 662, sir, it is saying, sir, it is evident from the orders of this commission referred to above, it is abundantly clear that the commission has not directed or empowered the expert committee to take up or issue direction towards repair, rectification, barrage. Therefore, the government has reconstituted the expert committee containing the 4 experts in the field of reconstituting the expert committee, later filed its interim report. ये सब बोलते हुए सर फिर बोल रहे हैं सर लास्ट में नेक्स्ट पेज में 664. I fail to understand. In that they are saying the National Dam Safety Authority is an expert body and its final report is the outcome of technical study and examination. Commission does not, अब आप देखिए सर, the commission does not wish to review the same. The government is at liberty to take steps to pursuant to the final report of National Dam Security as suggested by it in accordance with law. सर मैं ये बोल रहा हूं सर
3/4/2025 government has submitted vigilance and enforce report to the commission. हम लोग विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट, एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट, कैग रिपोर्ट हम लोग कमीशन को दे दिए. कमीशन ने वो रिपोर्ट को कैसे लिए, कैसे स्टडी किए, वो रिपोर्ट को कहां इस्तेमाल किए, कहां नहीं किए, हम उनको डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते.
प्लीज 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 मैं अब चलते रहता.
Honorable Speaker, sir, in the heat of the moment, Honorable Chief Minister might have not understood what I was trying to say. Sir, I once again, I'm not saying, we are not saying that you haven't given anything. What I'm saying is that the Commission did not review the CAG report, Vigilance report, NSDA report, Expert Committee report, saying that it is not in their terms of reference. In spite of you giving it, they never reviewed it. In spite of you submitting it. And in this report, what you have submitted is not there. What I am saying is that these reports, I am not saying that these reports were not shared. You shared. But they didn't study these reports.